Todd asked this morning who's been here 11 years. I didn't quite make it, but RIoT has partnered with All Things Open now for 10 years in a row. This is our 10th RIoT Demo Night. We're really excited to be here. My name is Tom Snyder. I lead RIoT. We're a Raleigh-based organization focused on economic development. We are really interested in how emerging technology drives the economy. And tech jobs tend to be, really good jobs or high-paying jobs. They create a halo effect of other kinds of industries and jobs and communities that have strong tech-based economies. And so our focus as a nonprofit organization is to bring more and more people into technology, to try and help folks to get involved, to think about maybe entrepreneurship, starting companies. We run startup accelerators. We do a lot of convening. We do a lot of events. We're supported by a lot of corporate sponsors. I'll talk more about RIoT here in a moment, but this is the first year where we thought, and we were thankful that All Things Open agreed, it would be nice to kind of bring this closing plenary session together with the start of our event, which is going to be down on the mezzanine in a short while. So we have two speakers this evening, two amazing women who are going to talk. First, we have a speaker from NASA who's going to talk a little bit about partnership and some of the things that they're doing. There are few organizations that can say, like, when they have a moonshot goal, that's actually a literal goal, right? So this is going to be exciting to have them. And then we're going to hear from SAS, and we're going to see our first demo. The idea of Demo Night is that you are going to see a lot of cool technology down on the mezzanine. And one of the things that's going to happen, some of you who've checked in already have been given some investor dollars. For those who haven't, at the end of this session, we're going to have everybody go downstairs, and you're going to get some money. We have a whole bunch of startup companies that Todd's going to announce the winners of today's event, as he just announced, which is great. Engaging in this community, some people are going to win. You are going to have an opportunity then to help a startup company to win some media attention and be the company to get the most investment. So I encourage you later, get some money, go downstairs, meet the different companies, and decide who to invest in. I just want to give a couple of thank yous, and then we'll send everybody downstairs. I think they're rolling out the beverages. We've got the tech demos all set up and ready to go. Thank you again to All Things Open for continuing to be an incredible host. It's an incredible conference. Let's give the whole team, all the volunteers, a round of applause. I'd also be remiss if I didn't thank our sponsors. We're a nonprofit organization. We, through our entire history, we're more than 10 years old now, have supported entrepreneurs, startups, rural communities, other folks that maybe are not normally the folks that feel included in tech with free services, and they're all provided by the financial support of these organizations. This evening in particular, I'd like to call out T-Mobile, who is set up downstairs. Go check them out. They have helped to bring this event to you, and Extensus HR as well. I think I saw Marlana earlier back there in the crowd. Thank you very much. If there are entrepreneurs in the room, or if there are intrapreneurs in the room, you're trying to work on something, trying to figure out how to advance something in your corporation that is, not just the evolution of what you already do in business, but something new and interesting. We have applications open to participate in a startup accelerator. As I said before, this is a free program. We're not taking any equity in anybody's company, but we want to help support tech companies to grow and to create jobs. You can find more at riot.org. We also have a few events that are coming up and some other things that are happening. That accelerator, the next cycle of our accelerator is going to be held in Wilson, North Carolina. That's about an hour east of here. And we've got an announcement. I can't tell you what it is tonight, but there is something really cool that's going to happen in Wilson in the smart ag space in the near future. So anyone that's working in the agriculture sector in some way or bring technology, feel free to reach out to me or anybody else in a RIoT shirt tonight. We'd love to meet you, and maybe there's a way we can loop you into something cool that we'll be able to talk about next year at All Things Open. We're also supporting, you heard a moment ago about this concept of, our smart city technologies of today are going to create these smart outposts of the future that NASA's working on. The Connected Triangle Plus is an event in this building. It's a free event coming up November 9th. It's run by the city of Raleigh to bring the public and the private sectors together to bring technology to make the communities that we live in better communities, more inclusive communities. We are running a reverse pitch where we're going to have a number of startups that are presenting technologies that are focused on improving challenges in climate, challenges in inclusivity and accessibility, and challenges in transportation. We'd love to see you out supporting those teams that day. That's, again, November 9th, all day here in this building. And that is going to lead to a national event that is decided to move to Raleigh next spring. Smart Cities Connect has been operating for a number of years out of DC and Denver and Austin and other cities. They decided there's so much happening in this area, they're going to come to Raleigh in the spring. And so look out for more information about that. Finally, as I said at the start of the program, when you work your way downstairs, you're going to go out these doors, take a left, go down the escalator, and then there's a second escalator that takes you as if you're going to exit the north side of the building. You'll see a check-in desk there. If you've already got your RIoT sticker, you can go on down to the exhibit area. You can grab a drink, start to network. If you haven't already, stop by, get your investor dollars, and support these startups downstairs. I'll look forward to seeing you down there. Thank you.